let us get to your stock picks. Grant, what are you choosing today?
So I'm going with the stock I've picked before, but I'm picking it again. It's Alibaba. I think China is about 18 months behind the US in their AI adoption, and that cloud network is reaccelerating. The infrastructure as a service market is going to grow in the high teens over the next 5 years. I think it's a great business. They're sitting on about $80 billion of cash. I think that's about 20% of their market cap. It's still cheap by most metrics. Plus, they have about 900 MAUs on their retail platform. So, we've seen through the US companies that, and Tencent, these retail platforms are massively beneficial for advertising revenue. So they can use these AI tools to deliver much better ROIs on the ads and the ad revenue. So I think there's a lot of growth that's recovering in Alibaba, and I think it's going to give you some good returns for the next 3 or 4 years, and it's cheap relative to global peers.
All right. Chantal, where are you seeing value today?
I'm going to go with Pepkor today. So they had a really strong trading statement last week, and I had a look at the growth numbers relative to consensus, much higher than consensus for the full year. Also, I think consensus is a little bit too conservative for the next 3-4 years out. And if you account for that, the stock really doesn't look expensive relative to history. And if you further account for the fact that this company has a growing and very strong fintech offering that should probably demand a higher multiple, the core retail business is trading in line with like Truworths, but this is a much more defensive business and it's a high growth business. So Pepkor's getting my cash today.
Lovely. Well, thank you so much for your time, guys. Really, really appreciate your analysis today. And that is all for Stock Watch today. Thanks to our guest Chantal Marx from FNB Wealth and Investments and Grant Nader from Benguela Global Fund Managers. Up next, The Close. Stay watching.